In this video, we show how to replace Card Riser 2 on a PowerEdge R7625. Before removing Card Riser 2, read through and follow the safety guidelines to protect your system from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the R7625 service manual at dell.com/support. In order to remove Card Riser 2, you must first remove the cover, the air shroud, and, depending on your configuration, Card Riser or riser blanks 1 and 3. To remove the cover, use a screwdriver to rotate the lock counterclockwise to the unlocked position. Next, lift the release latch until the system cover slides back. Then, lift the cover from the system. To remove the air shroud, hold the edges of the air shroud and lift it out of the system. To remove riser blank 3, loosen the 2 captive screws, securing it to the chassis, and then remove. To remove riser blank 1, loosen the 2 captive screws, securing it to the chassis, and remove. To remove Card Riser 2, while pressing the blue button on the riser and holding the touch points, lift the expansion card riser from the system board. To install Card Riser 2, holding the touch points, align the riser with the guides on the system board and lower it into place. To install riser blank 1, align it with the chassis and lower it into place. Then tighten the 2 captive screws to secure it to the chassis. To install riser blank 3, align it with the chassis and lower it into place. Then tighten the 2 captive screws to secure it to the chassis. To install the air shroud, align the slot on the air shroud with the standoff on the system. Then lower it into the system until it is firmly seated. To install the cover, align the system cover with the guide slots on the system and place it onto the system. Next, close the system cover release latch. Finally, rotate the lock clockwise to the lock position. For more information or support, visit dell.com/support.